everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, we will be doing a Nespresso first order unboxing. I hope that makes sense. This is my order. This is massive. So I did order, well, I didn't think that many capsules, but this tells me otherwise. Okay, so interesting. I don't know how to open this box. So I thought I'm gonna unbox it with you guys and show you what I purchased. Are you joking? This, oh my God. I don't think I ordered that much. Wow, okay. So I apologize for the pronunciation. I got, some of these were free. It was like, you buy a certain amount and you get some free. Okay, I'm shocked. All right, so we have this Melosian. Again, I apologize. Some are just crazy names. I have the double espresso screw. And these are for the Virtuo machine as well. Two of the Voltesso, these I really like. I haven't tried all of these either. Two Alticios. If you want certain reviews as well, definitely let me know because I can do them. One Intenso, which is that. I'm actually very surprised. A double espresso chiro. This one was good as well. Vanilla custard pie. I'm excited to try that actually. Some of the flavored ones are very hit and miss, but yeah, I'm very excited to try that. I haven't tried this. I actually did get a free one of these. So I have two of the Il Cafe ones. This was so much more than I thought. I don't know if I've tried this or Farcio. One double espresso dolce. I'm excited to try that. I'm excited for all of these. I literally have one capsule left. I got the Alticio Decaffeinato, because I need decaf sometimes if I feel like a coffee in the late afternoon. Oh my God, ginger bread. This was one of the Christmas special editions and they still had it on the website. So I was like, yes, please. And the last one is the tropical coconut flavor over ice, which I'm super excited to try that. It is summer in Australia, so definitely iced coffee weather. So the whole process, to be honest, was super simple, super quick, and like honestly I am very impressed. If you want to order capsules and you're not near a store or you can't be bothered going into a store, free shipping, literally like 2 days and it was here. Very, very impressed. So again, if you want to see any specific coffee reviews on the ones that I have, definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know your favorite capsule. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye. Okay, so I wanted to actually show you as well how I store the capsules, because I know people have a variety of different ways that they like to store it, so I thought I would show you guys how I do it. I didn't want to add like more things to the kitchen bench or like have the capsules in a bowl or in a pull-out drawer or something like that. That's just not what I wanted. So basically, my coffee machine is in this corner. I have a cupboard above, and that is where they lie. So as you can see, we have stocked up. And that is how I store them. So with the ones that I have doubles of, like these ones, I actually haven't opened them, but I just open the ends of the boxes and then you can just easily grab them out. And then that's just what like works for me. It is a little bit of a leaning tower, but that is everything, and I just find it's neat enough. I do have this big capsule, the Alto Dulce, which I got in the discovery pack. That's just sitting there because I don't feel like I'm ever going to use it. But that is the coffee storage. Let me know how you store yours. Very interested to know. There's so many different ways, and of course it is whatever works for you. But yeah, this I just find super convenient above the coffee machine, so you literally grab it out of there, put it in there. Can't be more simple.